See, man, what most niggas don't understand is for every action there's a reaction, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything you go through in life, man, they got a purpose behind it, man. It's just on you to look at the bigger picture, find out what that purpose is, you know what I'm saying? See, because God don't put obstacles in your way for you to fall down and stay down. He put them in your way for you to unconquer them and get back up. But I'm gonna give it to you like this. I woke up this morning with no money in my pocket. I've been on a little streak, and man, I'm just trying to stop it, man. I'm just trying to put a little money in my pocket, whether it's slinging these balls or holding nigga hostage. Get a 95 or get a package and a pistol, and if none of this don't work, I guess it's bad to robbing niggas. I guess it's bad to robbing niggas. All I know is hard times. All my life I had to struggle. Only nigga did for me was my motherfucking brother. Only nigga I could count on was Mario Fisher. Only nigga that I love, that's my motherfucking nigga. And that's why, right or wrong, big bro, I'm riding with you. And if a nigga trying to get you, better hide a lot of pistols, cause I swear that I'm gonna kill him. Every nigga that's with him, snatch his soul out his body, let God deal with him. This ain't no rapping shit, my nigga. This is how it is. I probably hit $1 million lick for I see $1 million deal. Crackers ain't let me have shit before. That's why I know that they gon' take it soon as I step through the door. Soon as I get in the door, it gon' be like get on the floor. So much drama, I don't even chase this legal money no more. I done left so much to keep from crying, shit ain't funny no more. That's why I don't even answer my phone if it ain't my money no more. I just smoke so much to keep from stressing, I don't wanna get blunted no more. So many hoodlums on that whole shit, I don't wanna do nothing no more. And my life filled with so much rain, my days ain't sunny no more. But that ain't gon' stop me to get my money though, cause ain't that nigga gon' put food in my mouth, and ain't that nigga gon' keep the lights on in my house. Cause ain't that nigga that gon' try like I'ma try for me. Ain't that nigga that gon' ride like I'll ride for me. Ain't that nigga that'll die like I'll die for me. Chat. Real life shit, man. I give you niggas stories, man. This is how it is, man. Straight up.
eBushbeats.com